Alright, I'm running back now. Please don't be upstairs. Oh! What's up, guys? Today we're playing Housebound, a new Roblox puppet combo horror game that recently came out. And I want to test it out, so I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh man, I love this song. Turn it up.
Jake, it's already loud enough. My ears are ringing.
How is this loud?
That's how you know it's good.
Or how you know you're losing your hearing at 30.
Chill out, we get it. It's good.
Worth it. Come on. You gotta admit they just don't make music like this anymore.
The song came out last summer. They're literally still making music like this.
Yeah, but one day, songs are all gonna go downhill. Imagine robots making music.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
Even though it's happening.
Mark my words, Lisa. One day, music's just gonna be made by robots. And we won't know any better.
And next, you'll tell me they're gonna make phones that you can carry around in your pocket.
Yeah, it's called a phone in a
Now
pocket.
that would be cool.
Speaking of phones, hello? Wait, what? What do you mean accident? Is he okay? Which hospital? Oh my god. Okay, we're coming.
What happened?
It's my dad. He got into a motorcycle accident and he's in the hospital. This is all your fault!
What? How is this my fault?
Sorry about how long this intro is for some
You
reason,
bought
guys.
the motorcycle, Jake.
It's
You
almost
caused
over.
this.
You bought the motorcycle, Jake?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Lisa. He wanted one. He used to ride all the time.
Yeah, 40 years ago. He also used to play football. Should we have signed him up for the NFL too?
I told him to take it slow. He said he'd just ride it around town.
Oh, right. Because my dad is so good at taking things slow.
Well, he made the choice to ride it. That's not on me.
It is though because you bought it.
All right, Lisa and I are gonna drop you kids off at the house.
Don't forget, you still have chores to do. There's a note on the fridge.
All right, we are home.
Okay. Wait, don't be... Where are we going? In this tree house? That's kind of cool. And what do we do now? Read this note. If you ever get locked out of the house, we have it. Alright, the code is 672. We in? Alright, I'm home. What now? Hi, Grandma. Is this our chores? I need to pick up my toys. Okay, where are they? At least I only have 3. Alright, I just got a teddy bear. Where do I put that? In our room or something? Was that just a football? Bro, I don't need to go into any of these rooms. Alright, so here's, I'm guessing, where we put our toys. Yeah, I just need 2 more toys now. What's that? No. Alright, it won't let me click it. We're just gonna have to come back for that later. Alright, he just dropped the football. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention I'm playing with my friend today. There, now we just need 1 more toy. How about I do a little jump cut for y'all in 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, that's the last one. Now we just need to put it in the basket and then do the second task. Alright, let's go over. Alright, what's next on the list? Let's go. Homework? This isn't real life. Alright, next on the list. Load the washing machine. Bro, I can't believe this game's actually making me do math up in here. Anyways. A flashlight? Okay. Where does that key go? Oh, to Hero, right? I just got batteries. I think we can go down into the basement now to load the laundry. Hello, anyone down here?
2,000 years later.
Alright, that's done. Now what? Is this game just Chore Simulator 3000 at this point? Weird. Never knew we had that room. Alright, now what? Give Grandma her pills. It's upstairs in her room? Alright, bet. Here you go, Grandma. Now I can finally cross the last chore off my list. Alright. Can I finally sleep now? Who's calling this late at night? Listen, you can't just call me, then just breathe. I'm gonna have to ask you to stop calling me.
What? Oh my God!
Yep, well, I'm cooked. Grandma, where are you? Phew! There she is. I was worried for a moment. Oh, the power went out. I should turn it back on.
Oh my God, bro.
What is happening down here? I'm not going back in here again. Yeah, I'm running back to my room. Grandma, there's someone in the house. I just found a key to exit the house. Alright, I'm gone, bro. There's literally someone breaking into our house right now. What the heck?
Are you serious?
Where am I? Where did this creep take me? His lair? I need to find a way out of here. Alright, I just found a screwdriver. What's down in this hole? Okay. Looks like there's some room down there with like a pool table or something. Alright. I need to unscrew this vent. Bro, I'm so not excited for what's about to happen after I unscrew this vent. I don't want to know what I'm going to have to deal with later in this game. I've played Force Have Teeth on my channel, and it was scary. So if this is like Force Have Teeth, I really hope it's not. even though I'm pretty sure it is. Alright, I just found bolt cutters, a flashlight, and open this door. Alright. Let me explore this room real quick. What's in here? Is this the attic or something? There's a dome. You can play a piano. And there's a bathroom here. Alright, hold on. Let me use the bolt cutters. Where do I use the bolt cutters? It looks like we need a hammer there. Do we use them here? Alright. What is this sound? It's been playing for like 3 years. Like, chill, bruh. What is that sound? Oh, heck nah. I ain't going down. Oh, wait, I don't have bolt cutters. I have scissors. What's this? Bandages or something like that? What's in here? Alright, I wonder what I need to do. Let me switch my inventory real quick. What is that sound? Oh, heck no! Shut the door! Oh, alright, so we have to run away from this guy again? Alright, I think he's gone now, so what's in here? Oh, heck nah. Oh, he's going downstairs? Okay, what do I do now? Oh, where am I going? It said something was on the clock. It reads 4:50 a.m. Let's see if he's going up or down, because I think we need to go downstairs. Oh no, he's coming to me. Oh shoot. Close the door, close the door. I just saw his shadow. Fast forward real quick until he goes downstairs. Alright, he's down right now. So, I guess we're just gonna go into the other room next to the stairs. I don't know. Close it. Alright. Every clock in the house says the same exact time. Alright, so 4:50. Hour is on 4, and then minute has to go on 10, I think. Yep. 6, 4, 3, 1. And remember that, y'all. Alright, I think I'm just gonna sprint back to the upstairs. Let's hope he's not there.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright, so apparently this game's really trying to get a scream out of me. He just passed my closet. And I just saw him pass the pool. Alright, it doesn't look like he's there right now. I'm just gonna sprint for it. Alright, so what's in here? In this room. Turn the lights on, not off. Bro, why can't we hide under the bed? Alright, 6, 4, 3, 1. Alright, now I have the real bolt cutters. I'm running back. Oh, shoot! What the heck? Oh! How did I survive that, bro? Alright, I think I need to use these upstairs on a room or something. Hold on, let me shut that just in case the killer comes in here real quick. Alright. Where is it? It's not here. Oh, it's right here. Alright. First chain. Out of 3. Cut. Can I cut again? Oh, it's still cutting, alright. And alright, second chain. Just one more after this. It's so hard to cut these. Alright, last chain. And let's see what's in here. Is there anything in here? No. And that's locked. Alright, this room is useless. And I'm going back downstairs now. Is he here? No? Alright. Never mind. Why is he camping, bro? Oh, no! Guys, help me! And that's one life gone. Alright, are we in the basement, bruh? What's in these cabinets? Anything helpful? Of course not. Oh, here's where we need to use the bolt cutters to open this and get some. I need to drop something. Alright, bolt cutters. Drop. Equip, drop. Alright, screwdriver, drop just for extra space. I'm going upstairs now. Please don't be out here, bro. And I just shut the door on myself. And him. Alright, please don't be here. I'm running into the living room. I don't care. Shut that. And what's in here? The living room. I haven't seen this before. Alright. Anything in here? Let me guess. Not anything in these cabinets.
We go right over to Randall's, salt brine, and then hung for 30 to 60 days. What is this? This here is...
Let me check real quick. Nothing except for bandages. I don't need those. And I don't know what that is.
Montero's a little too stringy to use.
Or batteries for later, at least. Alright, there's a battery right there. Kind of helpful. Probably the most helpful thing in this room. Shut up before the killer comes in here. Turn on the light. Anything in here? Nope. There's matches. Alright. Are we gonna like set something on fire? I'm gonna drop those for extra inventory space. Someone else can pick them up, alright? There's a hole right there, and what's in here? A laundry room. Anything in here? An energy bar. I don't need that right now, unless I run out of stamina. And there's the outside world right there, which we need to get to somehow. I'm running back out. Or I need the killer to go downstairs. I mean upstairs, so I can run. Oh, I just saw him go downstairs. Please don't come in here, bro. Okay, I'm scared. He just went down and back up instantly. Alright, I'm taking a run for it in 3, 2, 1. Get in here. Close. Bro, how did I survive that? It started with the boy. The car took more than time. The runs wasn't enough, and now he just stares. Alright, this is a puzzle. And that just unlocked garage key. Alright, I think I know where that goes. Here, unlock it. Alright, yep, that's exactly where it goes. And I got gasoline. Yeah, we're definitely burning something. There's another doll. Alright, I'm ready to run. No way, bro. I'm so lucky he's not up here right now. There's actually no way he didn't even see me. Oh, he's coming. Yeah, I heard a door open. Oh, he's going down now. Alright, I'm running. Pour the gasoline. And then run back. I think he's coming right now. Alright, matches. Alright, I'm running now. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to get in the closet. I'm lighting the matches into the fireplace. Light. Alright, run back now. Alright, I got the frozen mannequin head. Melt it. And a key to a specific door. That doesn't help. Okay, guys, I figured it out where to put it. We need to wait for him to go into the pool table room now. And then we jump and then unlock the door downstairs, and that's it. Oh yeah, and he's down there? Yep, you can't get me, buddy. And he just went into the exact area where we need to go. We're cooked now. Alright, he's going to the pool table and jump down, unlock the door. Bro, can this unlock any faster? I'm about to die. Alright, thank gosh. Bro, this game's so dark for some reason. Never forget LXXDRRD. That has to be a code. Alright, I'm running back now. Please don't be upstairs. Oh my god! Of course he's upstairs, bro. Alright, well I have the code for this thing. L X X. Oh shoot, I think he's coming. I have to get back in my hiding spot now. Yep. I just heard a door open. Nah. Alright, well, he just went into that room. I hope he doesn't come out as I'm doing this. How did Bro not see me? Unlocked! And I just got a coffin key. Oh, yep, I know exactly where this goes. Upstairs we go. Shut that. We have to keep going back to the beginning. Alright, unlock that. And I just got a crank. What am I supposed to do with a crank? How do I still have enough batteries? Bro, I'm so lucky I just hid. I didn't even know he was there. He would have saw me. Yeah, I'm guessing it goes to this room because we haven't been in here yet, I don't think. Bro, don't. Or I quit Roblox. Light switch ain't working for some reason. How old is this house? Dang. Why can't this thing turn any faster? Alright, I just got a coin. What am I supposed to do? Give the killer 1 cent? This makes no sense. So it goes to the vending machine, but we need to wait for the killer to go back upstairs again to jump down. Bro, it's when I want him to go upstairs, he doesn't do it. Alright, he just did it.
Sense to see the claw pretend it's gonna grab something.
Or I just entered 3 cents for that.
Grab it if you dare.
Okay. I think I just need to grab that shiny thing, I guess.
That was adorable.
Alright, there's no way this doesn't work. This has to work, right? Watch. This has to work. Yeah, it has to work.
Oh my god, bro.
Finally! It's been like hours just trying to get this stupid dog food, bro.
Even a broken clock.
Yeah, I know it's broken. Alright, I really hope the killer's not out here now. Let's go! Oh, there's the dog. Alright, hold on. Shut this so the killer doesn't come in. Is the dog food in my inventory? Let me see. Oh, it's already in my hand? Okay. Now move. I'm waiting. Oh my gosh, he just came in the room. Grab the key. Yes. Run! Oh yeah, I'm dead. And it won't even let me use my bandages. It definitely goes downstairs, but I don't know where downstairs. You wanna come in here? Because I'm ready to run. Alright, he's not behind us. We'll just jump down here. I wonder where this key goes. I don't see any chests. Guys, I think we're almost about to beat it. We're back in the kitchen again. The dining room. Oh shoot, I don't want to open that, and yep, he's locked down now. Come back in here. We're back in this living room.
This here is provolone cheese. You can use
New batteries, all right. I don't know where to go.
You can use mozzarella cheese if you prefer.
All right, it's telling us where to go now. I'm just gonna take a run for it and hope he's not out there. Wrong room. In here. That's where the chest is. All right. Close and open that. What are we gonna get? We got some chemical. How does he know where we're at? The door won't open. I'm about to die. I'm cooked. Oh shoot. I need to go back in this area to jump down. No safe zones or hiding right now. I don't know where he is right now, but I'm just gonna jump and run for it. On the count of 3, forget it. He's upstairs right now. Rust remover? Yep, I know where this goes. In the laundry room. Here we go. And pour it on the wheel. And then turn the steam off. Oh shoot, he's coming. I need to get through here. Alright, use the screwdriver now. Thank gosh we saved the screwdriver and didn't lose it. Or drop it. We're outside now! Freedom! So why are we going to this abandoned barn?
On the farm we grow food that's everything you need to eat. It's a fruit, a veg, a bread, a milk, a cheese, a bean, a meat.
Oh my! What are you doing here, sweetie?
Like meat? I love meat.
Who is
What
you?
happened to you?
Baked beans, eggs, and peanut butter. Peanut butter. For variety and vitamins and Bill and Rudy too.
Well, guys, I'm pretty sure we just beat the game.
It's
At
safe
least.
out here.
Every day. I love you, Farmer Brown.
Oh, you mean my brother Billy?
His name's Billy.
It's everything you need to eat. It's a fruit, a veg, a bread, a milk, a cheese, a bean, a meat. Hi, I'm Farmer Brown. I'm Harry Hound. Singing about the food you need to keep
Billy's
you
always had
healthy and healthy. Today,
anger
protein
issues.
foods, they help you grow.
That's why I decided to live way out here.
Fish, love fish, baked beans, eggs, and peanut butter. Peanut butter. For variety and vitamins and Bill and Rudy too.
Oh, well, we're dead.
Oh, Billy! How many times do I have to tell you to turn that thing off when I'm talking? Now you ruined my cover.
Hi, I'm Farmer Brown. I'm Harry Hound. Singing about the food you need.
Calm down, Billy.
Today, the protein food.
Come here!
I love to grow like meat. I love
Why'd the music stop?
I knew you should have put that stupid TV somewhere else. This is all your fault, Billy. Billy? No! What are you doing?